Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope all are doing good. So today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration, baby room decoration, kitchens and more things. So if you like this video guys, so please guys don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share with your friends, families and all. So let's start. You can see this picture, the baby toys are there. You can see looking beautiful, design, decoration, good looking. This picture also is very beautiful. You can see the baby bed also looking nice, and you can see the flower on the wall and the color looking very nice, and the chair. And you can see this is also nice picture. You can see up the fan, lamps are there, and you can see the mirror, front mirror you can see. And now you can see the big mat, beautiful mat. And you can see this one also, the baby bed and the baby chair. It is looking very beautiful, and you can see the decoration is very nice. You can see this one also. You can see the cloud looking very beautiful. The lights are coming from the cloud looking very beautiful and attractive. I like this one. If you like guys, so don't forget to comment me. So you can see this one also, the banana trees decoration on the wall looking beautiful. Looking beautiful, and you can decoration is also very nice. You can see the photo also rabbit, and you can see this one also, maybe for babies, baby. It is also for baby, looking beautiful decoration, beautiful place, looking beautiful, the curtain and the decoration. You can see the wall decoration also very beautiful decoration they did. And you can see the lamp up, you can see the lamp looking beautiful lamp. And you can see the cupboard down, and you can this one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, and up you can see the fan, lights also there, looking good fan. You can see the photos, zebra line, elephant, giraffe looking nice. And you can see this also for baby's place. You can see the dress, books and toys and shoes and everything. It is there in this place looking good. And you can see this one also, the beautiful decoration, pink color mat, pink color rose on the wall decoration, and the cotton. You can see the cotton, and you can see this one also in green color, and green color mirror, and the mat. And the mat you can see and you can see the mat also, and you can see the down for toys. You can see this one also, baby can play here in this toys, looking beautiful decoration. And you can see the backside jungle, maybe forest, looking beautiful if it is forest. And you can see this one also, the baby bed, and the side the bed of you can sleep, so baby can't fall down here. And they are looking beautiful place, good. And you can see this one also, the it's also maybe for babies to sleep. The design is olden days, olden times design. And you can see this one, the great nature, it is also a beautiful place. You can see the horse, white color theme, looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. And you can see this one also, the up lamp you can see looking very beautiful, and the green color wall decoration you can see. And then the plant you can see, it's also looking beautiful. The decoration is very nice. And you can see this one also, the books and the baby things. If you guys like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.